Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from Marinemax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is a very nice 2019 Boston Whaler 38 Outrage. This particular boat is fairly highly optioned out. It's got the optional white 350 Verados, joystick docking, about 300 hours on the engines. All the service is up to date. This one has the Boston Whaler Steel Blue, which is your painted hull side. The boat was just professionally detailed, so it shows really nice. We also just completed a full bottom job, so you're good to go with that. So what we'll do, point out some of the major options on the boat. Number one, the 38 Outrage has been probably one of Whaler's most popular center consoles. It's a great traveling boat, a great fishing boat. It has extremely good range at cruise, which is around 30 to 32 miles an hour with the triple 350 Verados. This one also has the oh so popular Seakeeper Gyro. So the Gyro is a very expensive option, but a lot of people really like it because it keeps the boat stable, you know, when you're sitting still, but also it helps the running characteristics of the boat. This one also has your aft sunshade. So let me kind of walk around and show you the bottom job here. And of course, huge hard top right here. With the 350 Verados, this is also joystick piloting. So your dockings with joystick, incorporated in that is also going to be your autopilot. So tremendous amount of room back here. And of course, this is the optional aft sunshade. Huge beam to the boat, big dive door on our port side. This actually folds down right here and makes into a nice table. You've got the fold out bench seat back there, and all the way around, this one does have the diesel generator upgrade. So we'll walk to the front of the boat. Once again, very high gunnels. Underneath the garage here, tremendous amount of storage. This table goes up and down. There's also a filler cushion. And full windshield all the way around. You've got air conditioning in the cabin. You also have cockpit air conditioning. Very popular, very comfortable captain's chairs. This is your Icon VHF. This particular boat, we did twin 16 Garmins, and here's our joystick piloting. This is our Mercury vessel view here. This is the active trim and tilt for your engines. And that's your Seakeeper right there. Down on the cabin, you can sleep fairly comfortably down here. And of course, you've got plenty of storage. Nice little sink right here, fully enclosed head with overboard dockside discharge, hot and cold running water. So the boat's very well equipped. The boat's going to be listed at $614,915. So if you'd like some additional information on it, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. I'm the listing broker. My number is 941-376-3345. Thank you again for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.